Hello everyone, this is the Panda Photographer. It's been about 7 years since I had the Sigma 1835. Now I'm using this with the Sony a77 Mark II, which is a great semi and sports and wildlife camera. It does have very good video features, but Sony made a mistake, and I believe it is a mistake, to cap it on autofocus at 1/60 of a second f3.5. So I decided to go ahead and show you video clips using these settings, but I also increase the sensitivity for tracking, and I also have my color profile on neutral at -2 contrast, -1 saturation, -1 sharpness. I did add sharpness in post, and I did color grade this footage, but I also wanted to let you also know that I also have my ISO at 1250. So I am using the Viltrox RB08s. I have one light at 70% and one light at 50%, and I have my camera temperature at 3800. And the video clip that you just saw was me actually doing face tracking. This clip that's coming up, you will see motion tracking, and the third clip that you will see is object tracking. And I was very surprised at the results. I wish the results would have been about around 94 to 95, but they were around about between 87 and 90%. So I think it did really exceptionally very well for a versatile lens. Now I use this lens for my portraits and my time lapses or landscapes or long exposures, but I also use this lens for the YouTube content, and that's important for you guys out there. So with that said, I think the autofocus tracking on this particular body, which is a Sony a77 A mount, did really well for content creation. Now if you have a Canon version, you can mount this on E mount with the MC11 adapter or Micro Four Thirds adapters onto Panasonic cameras, but that's your choice. But I really think this is a really good lens, even on a camera that's about 7 years old. It did really well shooting at 1080p 60 frames a second. So with that said, it's been my go-to lens. It's really sharp, it's really good, but it's not weather sealed. So with that said, everyone, if you do like the content, please let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you want to support the channel here, please do so by hitting the PayPal donation links, or there's Amazon links to some of the items that I mentioned in this video. But with that said, everyone, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.